Hello everyone, today we have the following equation, 25 divided by 5 next to 25 divided by 5. So this type of equations get a type of debate online. What is the debate about? The debate is, should we follow the order of operation where P stands for parentheses and it needs to be done in the first place, E stands for exponents, should be done in a second, we don't have it. And here is the debate. MD stands for multiplication and division. We do it in the third place and we need to do it from left to right. So in this case, what is the debate about? If we follow the order of operation, then we first do the parentheses, then we do the division, and then we do the multiplication here. But if we do the distribution, then what it means is this is considered as one term. So that means that we must first multiply 5 with the parentheses, or like to do it as a distribution, for example, and then do the division. So which version is correct? The argument that many people that are supporting the distribution is, okay, this works as one term. But if this would have been the case, then the expression would have been written in this form. So with the brackets, we would see that this is really one term and 25 is divided by the entire term. But this is not the case to have it as an argument. Because, I mean, if we solve what's inside here, 25 divided by 5, then it's 5, so we have three numbers. We have division, multiplication of three numbers. So let's go with the arguments why is the PEMDAS, the order of operation, is the correct way to solve it. First, of course, because if we do the number in the parentheses, we have 25 divided by 5 multiply by 5. So in this case, we have division and multiplication of three numbers. So there's no rule, if following the order of operation international standard, there's no way where we have written that in this situation we must do first the multiplication and division. No, multiplication and division should be done from left to right. Another argument why this order of operation is the correct way, because 25 divided by 5, we can write it as 25 over 5 next to 25 divided by 5. So in this case, what's happening? We have this, because the division can be also written as a fraction. So we have this fraction multiplied by the number. Correct? Correct. So this set, let's solve it as we shown before. We will write it as 25 over 5 multiplied by 25 divided by 5. So what we get here, 25 divided by 5 is 5. So we get 25 multiplied by 5 over 5. So 5 and 5 we simplify, and the answer is 25. So the correct answer would be for this equation 25, and the correct solving is the order of operation PEMDAS. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Ciao, ciao.